Your Honor. Could I spend a moment with Miss Rapp?
You can, I'll put you in a breakout room with her. Hang on just a second.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Bowditch, if you rejoin breakout room number 1, I will send Miss Rapp there.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks. Mr. Moore, I have you checked in. If you could mute yourself, we'll get with you just in a minute.
Okay, I gotta get my son to put me back in there. I have no idea what I'm doing, okay?
Okay, you're good. I'll mute you and then you can have him help to unmute you.
Okay, can you see me?
I cannot see you, but we'll deal with that in a minute.
You want a video?
Yeah.
So when she come back, I'll
Yeah,
see her.
Mr. Moore, I can see you now, but go ahead and mute yourself and then I'll be with you in a couple minutes.
Okay. Okay. All right. Man, I gotta learn this stuff.
Ms. Rapp, Mr. Bowditch, are we ready on Ms. Michelak?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, can I have the case number on that?
1943-94.
Thank you.
And this was a non-compliance. It's a violation of probation for treatment and for testing. Mr. Bowditch?
Your Honor, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Ms. Michelak. Ms. Michelak has been on probation for an OWI, pled down to an impaired for approximately a year and 1 month, about 13 months. In that time, she's had 2 negative reports for alcohol right around the holidays. Nothing prior, nothing since. She has claimed to me that she has at least 12 weeks of Hygera completed and 8 weeks at another clinic. Now, but the problem we seem to be having is there's no verification that Ms. Rapp has received yet. But she also has paid all her money. I was hoping that the court might consider if Ms. Michelak can provide the appropriate information, that the case be or the probation be closed.
If she provides documentation directly, Ms. Michelak, you sign a release on Hagira, and Ms. Rapp, if you verify the Hagira, we can close this out.
So I have the email that was emailed to Miss Rapp.
Do you have something, Ms. Rapp?
No, I don't believe, I'll research my email, but I don't believe I have anything.
Do you
It was
have a
sent on
copy
to-
of the email, Ms. Michalak?
I do. It was sent on December 11th, if she wants to see if she can't find it. Or I can email it. It was from Justice Nemitz.
How do you spell that?
Do you want her email address?
Yep,
If she's looking it up in her system, yeah.
Okay, JNEMITZ@HEGIRAHEALTH.org.
it looks
And
like.
what,
she
the way that
something
she sent
else.
it,
It was an
oh,
encryption
go
note,
ahead.
so I could not receive it.
It was encryption and what?
I can't see it.
Do you have it, Ms. Michalak?
I have it on my email that, yeah.
You
she
have it on your email? Is
emailed it
that
to
the
me.
email? Are you looking at your email right now on
No,
the
I had it written down. No, I had it written down.
I
I don't know how to,
was gonna
get to
see if
my
you could
email
share,
and stay on
screen
there.
share it. So Ms. Rapp, you can't open it because it's encrypted.
Correct.
Read, Ms. Michalak, open it and can you open it and read it to me?
I don't want to lose you guys.
You're fine if you do.
Give me 1 second.
But you verify, Ms. Rapp, that you got the email.
Yes, I did receive the email.
I don't know if it's gonna let me preview the file while we're on here.
Okay,
So mine was encrypted too, but I could go in, there was a little message thing at the bottom. Hold on. It goes, I sent this email, oh, that's to me. So hers is, hello, I'm emailing in regards to a mutual client I have with probation officer Shannon Rapp. I want to inform her that client Jessica Mahalik has completed necessary outpatient counseling requirements. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out. Best, Justice and Nemitz.
I'm gonna close the file out successful and you're all set. Okay, Ms. Michalak,
So I'm done
you're
with
done with
probation.
probation. Yep, I'm
Thank
gonna
you very
close
much,
you
Your
out.
Honor.
You're
Thank you.
welcome. Have a good day.
You as well.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Ms. Rapp.
Mr. Bowditch, we have Mr. Moore on. Do you need to have a breakout to discuss his recommendations or have you already done so?
Your Honor, I've had a problem getting a hold of him, so I'm going to need to talk to Mr. Moore.
All right, Mr. Moore, I'm putting you in a breakout room with Mr. Bowditch. What you're gonna have to do right now is hit, all you're gonna have to do is hit join and you're gonna join him in breakout room number 1. Rejoin, Mr. Bowditch.
Okay, I can do that.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Moore, can you hear me?
You're not in the breakout room.
Let me see if I can join it.
Are you ready, Mr. Bowditch?
Yes, Your Honor.
To get your client out of the breakout room.
He may be struggling a bit, Your Honor.
That's okay. I'll just close it out. Ms. Rapp, it looks like Mr. Maddox and Mr. Wiley are bench warrants.
Okay.
All right, where did he go? He's not in the breakout room. There he is. Okay. All
I
right,
found
Mr.
it.
Moore, we got you back.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for to proceed, Mr. Bowditch?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any comments before I sentence him?
Your Honor, we have reviewed the pre-sentence report. We find it factually accurate. No additions, no deletions, no corrections. We would ask the court to adopt a very merciful probation recommendation.
I'm going to put you on probation, Mr. Moore, for a period of 6 months. It's $600 in fines and costs. You have to pay the probation costs, the state costs, and the victim's fund fee, restitution to the arresting agency. Provide us with 48 hours of community service at a nonprofit organization of your choice with documentation to the probation department. Attend
Yes,
a
ma'am.
level 1 alcohol education program within 30 days and follow those recommendations. Give us a list of your prescription medication so that this RAP can track them. You're not to purchase, possess, or consume any alcoholic beverages or controlled substances with random drug tests and alcohol tests at the direction of the probation department. If you complete everything, we can terminate your probation time anytime after 4 months if you do everything you're supposed to do, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
So
you. Your
Ms.
Honor.
Rapp will get you your probation order, answer any questions that you may have, and get you set up with any referrals that you need, okay?
Okay, thank you. I got another question. Now, my license ought to be restored next Friday, but I can't get an appointment till April 30th, but you don't handle that part, do you?
Yeah, I waited 4 months to get into the Secretary of State, Mr. Moore. If I could handle that part, I would
know,
have handled it for
Your Honor-
myself. I
Your Honor-
can't, the dates are, yeah.
I had the
Well-
same issue, Your Honor. And one of my daughters who was diligent, if you call a certain number every Monday, they'll tell you if there's any cancellation.
Actually,
You
if
might
you
be able
go
to get in earlier.
online every morning at 8 a.m., they have a limited amount of appointments that they schedule every day. I didn't end up doing that. It took me a long time to get in.
Yeah,
But
okay.
I can't do anything to help you, and it's apparently, it's a process. But
Okay. That's fine.
anything else for the record?
Happy